Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download, install, set up Siemens WinCC OA. WinCC OA is abbreviation Semantic WinCC Open Architecture. It's a powerful SCADA software. It's designed for large automation system on the distribution plan. Look like this. Okay, let's start. First, you should download WinCC OA in the WinCC OA website. If you download Siemens software, you should have registered. I have registered already. Yeah, this here is WinCCOA.com. Okay, download. Go to download. Here's download. Then you'll find the version. Here have a lot of version. WinCC OA 3.21. This is very new version, just last month release. Okay, I just installed this one. I done already. If you want to install WinCC OA 3.20 or 3.21, you should know this software. Just install Windows 11 Professional or Windows Service 2021 or 2025. Okay, let's start install. Run administrate. Okay, here is WinCC OA directory installed here. In here, project. Next, we install all of this stuff. Okay. Okay, WinCC OA 3.21 setup complete successful. Yes. Okay. Now we can see here. WinCC project administrator. We start, double click. So now we create a new one, new project. We choose Legacy Standard Project. This one, okay. Next. Okay. My test is path. We choose desk viewer OAEX. Next. Okay. No, we don't need this. Yeah, project has been created. Okay, now we start here. Start project. Okay, this one's demo. Just okay. Is he need ask password? Just okay. Now here is WinCC OA interface. Okay, you can create a new one. And here you can set up library. It is okay. That's it. This one just WinCC OA interface. Okay, thank you very much.